Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Zen AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the Zen AI software. Chat, generate images, produce videos, and run agents in a single workspace. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to dashboard overview, chat, image generator, video generator, agents, settings, and history. Let's begin with chat. Just enter the prompt you need to get results within a few seconds. And you can even select the model you need. Then image generator. In this you are able to generate high-quality, accurate images from text prompts. Enter the prompt, choose necessary details like mode, size, and quality. Then hit the Generate Image button to see the magic. Next, Video Generator. In this you are able to generate videos using a text prompt. Just enter the prompt you need, choose the size, quality, FPS, duration, and check out AI sound effects option if you need. Then hit the Render Video button below. It can take up to 2 minutes to render a video. Here's the generated video from the text.
AI automatically creates a complete online course platform. Students enroll instantly and sales notifications increase in real time. Your e-learning business launched.
Then the agents, useful for making an autopilot system for your business like running multiple AI agents for you. Just enter the name, choose model, steps, goal of the agent, and choose the tools you need. After these steps, hit the Create Agent button to create the agent. Then simply run the agent later. Now, let's dive into the basic features of the Zen AI app. The History section will give you access to check your history. Then the Settings option will give you access to change your account details like name, email, password, etc. I've covered all the options inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.